Balikan naman natin ang mga balita mula sa Visayas.
Napasakamay na ng mga otoridad ang suspect sa hit and run sa isang basketball player sa Cebu City. Ito'y matapos mahuli ng PNP sa bisa ng warrant of arrest at naharap sa kasong murder.
Sinisiguro naman ng pambansang pulisya na mas pinaiigting ang mga kampanya kontra kriminalidad para mapanatiling ligtas at maayos ang ating pamayanan. Patrolwoman Blessel Kiss Pidoche sa balita.
Arestado ng Cebu City PNP ang suspect sa na-hit and run na basketball player sa Sitio School Side, Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City. Kinilala ni Police Major Miles Vidamuslog, Station Commander ng Police Station 9, Cebu City Police Office, ang suspect na si Aaron, 28 anyos at residente ng Sitio Nica Cabahar Street, Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City. Batay sa ulat ng pulisya, bandang alas 2:15 ng hapon nang maaresto ang nasabing suspect sa bisa ng warrant of arrest para sa kasong murder na inisyo ni Honorable Esther Morales Veloso, Presiding Judge of Regional Trial Court in City's 7th Judicial Region, Branch 5 in Cebu City na walang rekomendadong piyansa. Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya na ng Police Station 9 ang suspect habang ipinibigay alam na ng kinaukulang korte ang pagkakahuli nito. Ang matagumpay na pagkakadakip ng naturang suspect ay bunga ng pinagsanib person ng Police Station 9 at Police Station 2. Nabigay ng panayam si Police Major Mark Don Alfred Puasolienza, Station Commander ng Police Station 2.
We would like to inform you that the Abellana Police Station 2 has made an arrest through warrant of arrest to a certain who was the primary suspect of a hit-and-run incident turned murder case last February 4, 2024, victimizing which transpired at Redemptorist Church, Barangay Campotao, Cebu City. This apprehension is a testament to our unwavering commitment in ensuring justice and maintaining peace within our community. We understand that such incident can be alarming, but we want to assure that the PNP is dedicated to swiftly and effectively address criminal activities. Our personnel have worked tirelessly to investigate this matter thoroughly and bring those responsible to account for their actions. We encourage the public to remain vigilant and to continue cooperating with the law enforcement authorities. Your support and cooperation will play a crucial role in our efforts to uphold the rule of law and safeguarding our neighborhood. We extend our appreciation to everyone who has contributed information and assistance during the investigation. Together, we can work towards safer and more secure community for all. Thank you for your continued trust and partnership.
Ang mga kapulisan ng Cebu City ay patuloy sa pagsasagawa ng operasyon laban sa mga taong may pananagutan sa batas upang mapanatiling tahimik at maayos ang komunidad dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang New Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Blessed Pidoche, lagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.
Maraming salamat, Patrolwoman Pidoche.